Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Richa Mundhra for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle, fashion and so much more. So please, I would appreciate if you give it a moment and hit that subscribe button right here and like the video. But this video is specifically for all those people who keep asking me about Google, how to get into Google and all the questions related to Google. So I thought I'll sit down and make a dedicated video on that. Please note, I'm not an expert. There are Google websites and career related discussions videos available. I will link them here. You can go ahead and watch them for more information. I am just telling it from my own perspective and from my own experience. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first question that everyone keeps asking me is, how did I get into Google? I found a role on the Google Careers website which was suiting my CV almost at that time. I was about 2 years experience at that time, and the role required a similar set of experiences and similar set of responsibilities, etc. So I asked my cousin uncle who worked in Google to refer me, and that is how my resume reached the HR, and they liked my resume. They saw that I was fit for it, and that is how I got interview calls. I studied for the interview a little bit and then I got through it. So that was the whole process of me applying and me getting through it. Yeah, that was mostly that. So I think the first interview I had was on January 18th and January 18, 2019, and I joined Google on 15th April 2019. So that was the time span that I had, and I gave four or five interviews. I don't very clearly remember, but I gave 4 or 5 interviews. Moving on to the next question. How can someone get into Google? This is like a DM full of messages on this, that Google is my dream company, I want to work in Google, if not Google I don't want to go anywhere else, and so much more. If I don't get into Google, I don't want to work anywhere else. I understand your sentiments and your emotions. How can you get into Google? First step, and I'll place those steps here. Go to Google/careers and there search the website for roles that suit your current requirement very nicely, or the city that you want to be. Just combine those two, go through the roles that are available, and then if you find a suitable role, apply for that role. And if the company seems that your resume and the role matches, you'll get an interview call. It is as simple as that, and it is as difficult as that. So if you apply for a random role, you might not get through. Please understand that. बहुत सारे लोगों के दिमाग में होता है कि एक बार गूगल में किसी रैंडम रोल के साथ चले जाते हैं and then we'll keep changing. That doesn't happen. You will not get selected for that random role if you're not fit for that role. So please ensure that you're doing that. How to find a suitable role? Can I or someone working at Google get you a job? No, we can't. All we can do is put a referral for you. All we can do is help you prepare for the interview if we know about the role. Like, we can tell you how to study and how to work for that role, if only in bold letters, if we know about the role. Otherwise we can't help you through it. हमारे यहाँ कोई जैक नहीं है, कोई सोर्सेज नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. अगर आपका रेज्यूमे रिजेक्ट हो गया है तो आपका रेज्यूमे रिजेक्ट हो गया है. हम कोई जैक लगा के कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसका. एटलीस्ट मैं तो नहीं कर सकती हूँ. कोई और अगर सीनियर अथॉरिटी में कर सकता होगा तो आई डोंट नो, बट मैं तो नहीं कर सकती हूँ. एंड सो गोज विथ ऑल ऑफ माई कलीग्स हु आर नियर बाय मी. हाउ मच टाइम डज इट टेक एंड हाउ मेनी इंटरव्यूज? I have heard people getting recruited in about a month, and I have heard people getting recruited in about 1.5 years of time span. So it depends. It depends आप कौन से role के लिए आ रहे हो, आप किस level पे आ रहे हो, etc. etc. How many interviews? It ranges from 4 to 18 interviews depending on the role again. So you can give about 4 interviews and you can give about 18 interviews. What is asked in a Google interview? Mostly everything is per your job description, and then you get a lot of like situational questions or behavioral questions to understand how your whole logical analysis thing works. There is a whole dedicated video series that Google has made to help people to crack Google interviews. I will link that here. I'll write it in the description box. You can go through it, and probably those are the experts that you need your help from. Okay, can non-engineers apply in Google? Yes, you can apply at Google if you're a non-engineer. सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर से कंपनी नहीं चलती है, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें चाहिए होती है कंपनी को चलाने के लिए. सो या, यू कैन अप्लाई. Can someone ask for a referral? Yes, you can, but just please be kind when you're asking someone for a referral. If you know that person very well, sure, go ahead, ask them for a referral. If you don't know that person and you're contacting that person via LinkedIn, Instagram or some things like that, please be kind enough. उन लोग आपके लिए रोल ढूंढ के नहीं देंगे. फाइंड अ रोल, फाइंड योर CV, अपडेट योर CV, एंड उसके बाद अगर दोनों चीज़ें आपको मैच करती हुई दिख रही है तब उनको कॉन्टैक्ट करो और उनको बोलो कि हमारे लिए एक रेफरल ओपन कर दे. बट प्लीज़ डोंट एक्सपेक्ट देम कि ये मेरा CV है और आप लोग प्लीज़ जो भी रोल आपको सूटेबल दिखता है आप वो कर दीजिए, या CV को HR को फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए. दोज थिंग्स डोंट वर्क. सो इफ़ यू हैव अ रोल एंड इफ़ यू हैव लाइक thing which is matching with like if you have a role and your CV matches with that role, please then only contact people. Please be kind towards them. Please be kind towards anyone. मतलब Google में नौकरी के लिए नहीं, but generally please be kind. Just write a sweet message. Hey, I am this and this. I am doing this and this. I am looking for a referral. If you be please kind enough to refer me. ऐसे मत करो. Hey, I बस refer कर दो यार. Thank you. We don't know you, so we don't owe you. And just please be kind enough. And कोई भी और questions हो अगर Google related, let me know in the comments. I'll try and I'll answer them. But mostly this is how the process works. Go find a job, go update your CV, match those two, find a referral and go for it. As simple as that. And please don't be disheartened if you don't get into Google the first time. You can always try again. And yeah, there are a lot of other companies which might be suitable for your role at that particular time, so you can try on those too. Just don't like मतलब इसको end एक वो लकीर मत बना लो यार. मतलब there always has to be a right time for a right thing. So yeah, just keep in mind and keep smiling. Until next time, bye.